If you want to learn how to install Chrome, you have come to the right place. Let me teach you how to install Chrome for your Windows computer. The first step is to click the first link in the description, which will bring you to a written guide on how to download and install Chrome. Now, this is an in-depth guide with screenshots and text on how to install Chrome, but I assume that you just want to follow along the video. So all you gotta do is scroll down until you see the step 1, how to download Chrome, and click on the button that says download. It's this purple button right here. That is going to redirect you over here, where you're going to click download Chrome. It's that simple. Just click download Chrome. It might look different in your browser. Just find the download Chrome button. Click download Chrome over here and the download will start automatically. Just wait a couple seconds, and as you can see, my file has already been downloaded. It should take less than 5 seconds to download, and once we have the file downloaded, if you are using Internet Explorer, you could click on these little 3 dots right here, click on downloads, and you will see the installation file in there. Just go ahead and drag and drop it into your desktop. Now we have the installation for Chrome right here. We can minimize all browsers. If you're not using Internet Explorer and you don't know where the file for installing Chrome is, you could probably find it in your downloads folder within your PC. Once you have the file located, just go ahead and double click it. When you double click the installer, it might prompt you with an administrator sign. Just allow it to run, give it permission to run, and then the installation will begin. It's that simple. Just wait for the installation to finish in this menu, and there we go. Now we have Chrome installed. As you can see, it was very quick, and you're pretty much set. You're ready to start using Chrome. I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section, and we also have some frequently asked questions at the end of our guide that I'm leaving in the first link in the description. Anyways, bye bye.